Hey everyone, so I'm always looking for new ways on cleaning the interior of my car, and I picked up this Dyson handheld vacuum. Apparently they have really good reviews online, good for cars, nice, portable, small, pretty powerful, comes with different assortment of tips and all that stuff. Okay, let's give it a try, see how it works. The car's kind of filthy, you know, pollen and all that stuff's coming in. Not too bad. This angled tip really goes in between your car seats. Really gets the job done nicely. Now for the grooves, you see stuff inside like there. I have this little brush that I use and just gently beat it all out. Sometimes you even have to pull the seat up like that. Get it all out. Looks like new. Looks great. Let's get in the crevice over here. This brush might just be as good as this vacuum for cleaning. Sweep it all out. Just give this guy another try. Liking the final result. This thing's awesome for cars, guys. I really strongly recommend it if you're looking for one. Nice, portable, lightweight, does the job well.